that's a wrap on class. Good morning, everybody. So right now I'm getting my run in a little bit early because we have a lot going on today. So let's just get this vlog started. It is very cold out. All right. Excuse me. Have a package. All right. I'm super excited about what is inside this box. How the heck do I open it? Alright, it's free. Now I'm not allowed to show you what this is yet, but I can give you my reaction of looking at it. Ho ho! Alright, it is done, it is up. I can't quite show you guys yet, but when the apartment tour comes out in the next week or two, you guys will see it then. Alright.
Don't, over. There you go. Yay!
Hello everyone.
Sorry,
I got the photo.
decorating.
You already did half. That's fine.
Just put the light, because it's going to be dark out, right? So you're going to probably want lights like on that.
Is that the backdrop?
Yeah, background. I meant like and like reflective lights. Cool.
Perfect. Alright. I'll still get the big light. I'll be back.
Wait, is that what filming?
Alrighty, photo booth is all set up. We've got the backdrop. We've got the camera right here. You can see that's the view. Nice big light. All ready for the party.
Yeah, we're just getting started.
Both of you switch. Both of you switch. There you go. No, it's backwards. Don't move. Nobody move.
It's backwards. You wanted it to take off?